Blackboard is where you will be able to stay up to date with your class, communicate with your classmates and professor, and submit coursework. Let's take a few minutes to locate some key areas of Blackboard that are pivotal to your success as an online student. First, let's take a look at a course. You will click Courses, which will take you to the course homepage. Here, you can see your menu bar on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side, you can see announcements, alerts, and so on. Next, let's find information about the course, which is commonly referred to as the syllabus. The syllabus is one of the most important documents in a course. Here, you will find contact information for the professor, which textbooks you will need to purchase, and due dates for discussion boards, assignments, and tests. Now let's find the course content. These typically show up as modules and assignments. By clicking in these folders, you will find everything you need to complete for the course. Keep in mind that this setup may vary course to course, but more often than not, you can expect your course content to be made up of reading materials, assignments, discussion boards, quizzes, and tests. The study plan may include reading and additional materials that the professor wants you to read for the module. You will also see your discussion board link for the week as well as a quiz. Let's click into the discussion board and you can see the test post thread. We can click into this and click Reply to make our own post. You can also navigate to the discussion board through the left-hand menu. Working down the list, let's take a look at the My Grades Center. Here's where you can see grades for discussion boards, assignments, quizzes, and tests. You can also see feedback from your professor here as well. It will show up as a blue bubble next to your grade. Next, let's take a look at the announcements section. These are typically used by professors or success coaches to communicate to the entire class about updates related to the course or notifications about specific topics. Below announcements, you will see messages. Here's where you can send messages to your professor and classmates. You can see what messages you have sent and what messages you have received. Finally, we want to show you an example of a SUNY Online organization page. Each campus's success team has a space where they will share campus-specific information and success tips. This is where you can find important information your success coaches share through announcements, find campus resources, check the academic calendar, and learn more about your success team. Additionally, there are success and support resources available for you to browse on the left-hand menu. One example is the Goal Setting module. You can click into this module and find tips on how to establish study skills. There are a variety of resources you can look through, including articles and videos. Each module has an activity to help you practice what you just learned and allows you to have the useful resource for the future. This resource is always available. Your success coach may recommend you check out a specific area if they think it would be beneficial to you.